Today, in this video, we are going to explore the human body, Encyclopedia, Part 9. Introduction. Welcome to Human Body, Encyclopedia, Part 9, where we explore the lymphatic, urogenital, and reproductive systems. Discover how these vital systems work together to maintain fluid balance, remove waste, produce reproductive cells, and support the creation of new life. This chapter highlights the remarkable anatomy and functions that keep the human body healthy and functioning efficiently. Lymphatic system. Nodes and vessels. Shows the network of lymph nodes connected by lymphatic vessels throughout the body. These structures filter lymph, remove harmful pathogens, and support immune function. Illustrates the pathways through which lymph returns to the bloodstream. The lymphatic vessels help maintain fluid balance and transport immune cells. Urogenital system. Male urogenital system, anterior view. Displays the male urinary and reproductive organs from the front. It shows how these systems work together in excretion and reproduction. Highlights the bladder, urethra, prostate, and reproductive organs. This view explains their anatomical arrangement and functions. Illustrates the relationship between the urinary tract and reproductive organs. It helps identify the major structures involved in male physiology. Provides a detailed front view of the male urogenital anatomy. It demonstrates the pathways of urine and reproductive fluids. Male urogenital system, lateral view. Shows the male urogenital organs from the side of the body. It provides a clear understanding of their depth and anatomical position. Highlights the bladder, prostate, urethra, and penis in profile. This view explains how these organs function together. Illustrates the internal arrangement of the male urinary and reproductive systems. It helps visualize the connection between different organs. Female urogenital system, anterior view. Displays the female urinary and reproductive organs from the front. It highlights their structure and coordinated functions. Shows the bladder, urethra, uterus, ovaries, and related structures. It explains the organization of the female urogenital system. Female urogenital system, lateral view. Illustrates the female pelvic organs from a side view. It helps understand their position and relationship within the pelvis. Shows the uterus, vagina, bladder, and rectum in profile. This view demonstrates how the pelvic organs are arranged. Right kidney. Displays the external anatomy of the right kidney. It highlights its role in filtering blood and producing urine. Shows the internal structures of the right kidney. It explains how the kidney regulates fluid balance and removes waste. Renal corpuscle. Illustrates the renal corpuscle, including the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. It is the site where blood filtration begins. Shows the microscopic structure responsible for filtering blood plasma. It initiates the formation of urine within the nephron. Highlights the filtration membrane of the kidney. It separates waste products from useful substances in the blood. Nephron. Displays the nephron, the functional unit of the kidney. It filters blood, reabsorbs nutrients, and forms urine. Illustrates the pathway of filtrate through the nephron tubules. It demonstrates how water and essential substances are reabsorbed. Shows the complete structure of the nephron from filtration to urine collection. It explains the kidney's vital role in maintaining homeostasis. Reproductive system. Male reproductive system. Illustrates the major organs of the male reproductive system. These organs produce, store, and transport sperm for reproduction. Shows the testes, epididymis, vas deferens, and accessory glands. It explains their roles in sperm production and hormone secretion. Female reproductive system. Displays the ovaries, uterus, fallopian tubes, and vagina. These organs support ovulation, fertilization, and pregnancy. Illustrates the internal anatomy of the female reproductive system. It highlights the structures involved in reproduction and childbirth. Stages of sperm, spermatogenesis, shows the developmental stages through which sperm cells are formed. This process occurs within the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Stages of sperm, spermatozoa, illustrates the mature structure of a sperm cell. It highlights the head, midpiece, and tail used for fertilization. Ovum, displays the structure of the female egg cell. The ovum carries genetic material and is essential for reproduction. Fertilization cycle, illustrates the process in which a sperm fertilizes an ovum. It marks the beginning of human development. Shows the early stages following fertilization as the embryo begins to develop. It explains the first steps toward pregnancy. Uterine cycle, illustrates the monthly changes in the uterine lining. These changes prepare the uterus for possible implantation. Shows the phases of the menstrual cycle and endometrial changes. It explains how hormones regulate the reproductive cycle. Conclusion: the lymphatic, urogenital, and reproductive systems play essential roles in protecting the body, removing waste, maintaining balance, and ensuring the continuation of life. Understanding these interconnected systems gives us a deeper appreciation of the complexity and efficiency of human anatomy. Thank you for watching Human Body Encyclopedia. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.